Let's have a look at viewing and managing tasks in the contact activity feed. We've created this new Add a Task button at the top. So when we click that, it launches the Add Task pop-up. It pre-selects the contact and we can add other associations here. And we can go ahead and name our task, enter the due date and time, and then create the task. So what this does, the tasks will now show within the activity feed based on the due date. So if the due date is in the future, it will show as upcoming. If the due date is in the past, it will just show in the activity feed based on that due date, just like any other activity feed item. You can view all the tasks on a contact just by clicking the Tasks tab at the top. So that's a great way to just see all the tasks together on a contact. You can also edit the task. So if we click the Edit button, this just launches the pop-up again, and we can change the task and update the task like that. We can also pin a task to the top if that's an important task that we don't want to miss. This will always show at the top even if it's past due. If a task is overdue, it will also show an overdue badge at the top. So if I make this task overdue, you'll see we get that overdue badge there, which just makes it a bit easier to see that this task is overdue. To complete a task, we just click the tick here and it will cross out the task and mark the tick box green. And we also get some extra information within the task as well when the task is selected. So we can see the due date here, which also shows at the top right corner. We can see when the task was completed, which is useful when referring back to this later on. And obviously we can see who created it there as well. Just like all the other activity feed items, you can see all the associations of the task down the bottom here, and you can click through to those. So hopefully it makes it much easier to view tasks on a contact, to create and manage tasks on a contact, and just to see it all in chronological order of all the other activity with the contact should really help with providing context and streamlining that task workflow.